Time is going by so fast. Oh my gosh.
Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and do an intro because I totally forgot to film an intro for this video. So I'm doing this actually the next morning, but basically while I was eating breakfast yesterday, I had no idea what was in store for the day. My husband was just literally like, hey, let's go here. And I was like, oh my gosh, I've been wanting to go there for a while. So we went to the amusement park and I just wanted to share my little vlog. So got on our first roller coaster together as a family, and I couldn't film the roller coaster part because they said you can't have your phones out. And then my husband did not bring his meta glasses. If you guys don't know what that is, those are those glasses that record videos for you.
But what my husband did surprise me with was with this Polaroid camera that we can bring to the amusement park with us. So of course I did bring this along, and it came with a strap and I just kind of wore it on my shoulder. We also had the stroller, so I did have a place to put it.
Without further ado, let's get into the video. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay.
A little overcast, but it was 69 degrees, so it was actually quite warm. You'll see my daughter here had a t-shirt on and some leggings, and she was fine. She had such a blast here. The park was decorated for Christmas. They even had like a nativity scene in one area, and they had a lot of activities for Christmas being set up. So I was thinking of coming back actually. As I understand it, it's a big deal here at Christmas, so we might even come back another time. Over here we are entering what is called Camp Snoopy, which is where all the kids' rides are. Our daughter got on her first ride. She was so happy. She had such a blast. Her dad took her with her on the first ride because you couldn't put two adults in one seat, which I was a little bummed about, but she did go on the swings by herself and she was just having so much fun. She was actually screeching on it. It was so adorable. I wanted to put footage in, but I also wanted to be respectful of other people's children. She also got on her first roller coaster, which we all got to ride together. She was holding on for dear life, but I think she had a great time. Didn't vlog anything for Sunday, but here we are on Monday. We dropped our daughter off and had a date in the morning, yes, at 9:30 a.m. So excited. We're gonna go see Wicked in IMAX. In the spirit of Wicked, I decided to wear a Harvard sweatshirt just to look like I'm going to the University of Shiz, even though this is Wicked for Good and part one was really when they were at university. I wanted to also be very comfortable and wear layers because honestly, I get really cold at the movies. I don't know about you. And then we also got some popcorn because it's not a movie without popcorn, am I right? Just finished watching the movie. It was really long, but it was really good, and I think we both enjoyed it. Next up, after the movie, we decided to get a caffeine fix. We got some drinks and some treats from this really delicious bakery that makes everything with organic ingredients. We decided to get a couple of cookies. We also got a cortado as well as an iced matcha. And then we sat outside, which was really lovely. The weather was absolutely perfect. just wanted to get these. We're at Target now. Gotta pick up a few things.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
For some reason, the Targets have all been out of our size, but I spotted one. Let's see if there's any more tucked back here. Found 2 of them. Let's see if there's any more hiding anywhere. See this small miniature and see where he's at to see if he wants to get that one or not. But yeah, shortage on diapers, I guess. Next, I need to get command hooks, wherever those are at. I just need some basic ones for hanging up random things like that. Stopping by the Hearth and Hand section, of course.
Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of...
Then after Target, we decided to make a quick little pit stop at Bath & Body Works because we had some rewards to use. So we picked up just a few little things and we'll probably go back for more. But then after that, we went to go pick up our baby girl and we went to have lunch together as a family.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Beautiful out. It's like, I don't know, in the 60s, but it's sunny. It's what a weather. It's gorgeous. And we're just walking along this little man-made lake. I don't know quite yet what we'll be doing for Thanksgiving, but basically this is just our Thanksgiving week. My husband actually has to work the day after Thanksgiving. Ooh, it's so bright. I kind of let my husband just chill for a second, and then we're probably just going to head home after this. So as soon as we got home, I noticed I had this pumpkin muffin mix from Trader Joe's that I really needed to bake. I forget why we even had this, but I was like, maybe I'll make those just to start Thanksgiving week off with something pumpkin-y and festive. So here I am just making that while we're relaxing at home for the rest of the evening. And now we wait. They're looking so good. I'm so excited. I know they're not the sourdough from scratch ones that my sister gave me. I plan on making those this week, but I just wanted to use that mix because it's been sitting in my pantry and I just need to make it. Hi guys, I just wanted to hop back on. I'm so sorry I didn't even film an outro for that little muffin segment. I just kind of got carried away and went to go shower, give my daughter a bath, and you know how it is when you have kids, you just kind of lose track of time. Time is going by so fast. Oh my gosh, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. I'm gonna try to upload this right now so you guys have something to watch before you're preoccupied with all your family members. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.